friends, I'm going to show you how I make a really nice homemade German chocolate cake. This is wonderful. So with that, my ingredients are 2 cups of sugar, 1 3/4 cups of flour, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, the unsweetened. We got 1 cup of buttermilk, vanilla, it would be 2 teaspoons of vanilla, a 1/2 cup of oil, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, and a 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And we're going to put those right there in this bowl because we're going to mix all these dry ingredients together. The sugar and the flour. And we're just going to give that a quick little whisk. We'll just whisk that together and set it aside. We're also going to have 1 cup of boiling water, but it's not really boiling, hot water. I've got it in my coffee pot, so I'll get that. Okay, that's mixed up pretty good. Alright, so now we're going to mix the eggs, the oil, the buttermilk, two teaspoons of vanilla here, okay. All right, and we're going to whisk this together. Mix it real good. Okay. I'm going to pour the dry ingredients, but I also forgot to add the 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. So I'm going to put that in there and give that a little bit of a whisk. Get that all blended in. Okay. Now you're going to take and you're going to mix a little bit at a time of your dry ingredients into your wet, or vice versa, don't matter. I'm going to get this mixed in, and then I'm going to add the hot water to it. Okay. You're going to do 1 cup of hot water. There we go. Now we're going to mix that all around. And it's going to wind up being a real thin batter. Don't worry, that's the way it's supposed to be. So you can see it's getting thin here. Mix it up really good. Okay, I do think I got that mixed up pretty good. Okay, now you're gonna, my oven is set for 375. And this is going to a place for a birthday cake. Therefore, it's gonna go in this disposable pan. So anyway, pour that in there. Make sure you scrape your bowl. You don't want to waste any. This bowl is awkward. Okay. Now this is going to go in my oven for about 25 to 35 minutes until when you insert a toothpick it comes out clean. Then you'll know it's done. But set your oven for 375. I do believe I mentioned that. So when this is done, I'll bring you back and show you. Hey friends, it's time for me to make the frosting for my German chocolate cake, so I thought I'd just show you how I do this. I am making the coconut pecan frosting, however, which they sometimes call Rocky Road, I believe, but I'm using walnuts instead of pecans. I'm just going to make do with what I have. Okay, so with that, I've got a heavy bottom saucepan here, and I'm going to put a half a cup of butter, so it'd be 1 stick of butter. And to that, I've got 3 egg yolks. I'm going to put all those in there. Make sure you just use the yolks. I'm also going to put in 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar. And to all that, I'm going to add a cup of evaporated milk. I'm just going to mix this up. And ultimately, we are just going to mix this until it gets really thick. All the butter melts. It'll only take a couple minutes. That butter to melt in there. So I'm just going to leave that because that butter will melt fairly quick. And when it's all melted and I'm ready to stir it up, I'll be back and show you. You can see it's at a low boil. So we'll just keep stirring this until it starts to thicken up. Okay friends, that is nice and thick. So now I'm going to put in a tablespoon of vanilla. I want it back on that heat. And I've got a cup of walnuts and a cup of coconut flakes. And we're going to stir that all together. That makes a wonderful frosting. See that? This is beautiful. Okay, now I've got to let this cool before I frost the cake. But that's how you make frosting for German chocolate cake. Okay, friends, my frosting is all cooled down. So now I'm going to put it on my cake and spread it around, put the lid on, and it's ready to go. Isn't that frosting gorgeous? Making your own is wonderful, and it tastes so much better. Okay, so I'm just going to spread this around on here. Nothing big and fancy. I'm not decorating this cake. I'm just frosting it. It is a birthday cake, but my mother just wanted it plain. So, that's all I'm doing. And how I wished I could cut into it for you, but I can't, so you won't see the inside of this one. I'm going to get a little more over here at this edge. There we go. Alright, I think we got it there. That's simple. And there, friends, is our German chocolate cake. All homemade, right down to the frosting. So that is budget friendly. So there you have it. I have got to put the lid on it, and it is ready to go. Thanks for watching.